Welcome back. And if you are new here, welcome to Green Forex Academy, helping traders become more profitable. If you haven't yet subscribed and press the notification bell to receive notification each time I upload a new video. If you are new here, sit back, relax, and you will get to know more about what Forex trading is all about. Have you ever participated in Forex transaction before? Yes or no? If you have, you can put yes in the comment box below. If you haven't, you can put no in the comment box below. Green Forex Academy, beginners Forex course, 100% free, coming very soon. I'll be rolling out my free course because most of my friends and people out there are asking, when is your free course coming up? We can't wait for your free course. We want to learn what is Forex trading. And I'm like, okay, I'm here for it. Here's my free course coming out soon. Please do not forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, because as soon as I roll out my free course, that way you get notified. Course objective. This video course will provide you with basic comprehensive overview of what constitutes foreign exchange market, common concept, method of trading, and a good foundation for future learning. Course outcome. At the end of this beginner's course, you should gain basic knowledge of Forex trading investment as a business. Secondly, you will be able to apply what you have learned from paper trading to demo account trading and laying a good foundation for live account trading. Trading tips before you get started. Forex trading. What is Forex trading? Well, it's a complete work from home business where you can be your own boss, right? No degree or qualification needed. No recruiting family and friends. No commuting back and forth to work. No boss. You are the boss. What is Forex trading? Very simple. Forex stands for foreign exchange, FX, or currency trading, where one nation's currency is traded for that of another at an agreed exchange rate. Forex market is an over-the-counter OTC market, and from the 90s it started running electronically via the internet. Within the network of banks, it runs 24 hours a day and 5 days a week. Now here we can see £5 and some dollars, right? So money exchange in hand, foreign exchange. What is foreign exchange? What is Forex 2? It is a decentralized global market where all the world's currency trades. The Forex market is the largest, most liquid market in the world with $5.1 trillion daily turnover as at 2016 versus $500 billion for the stock market. You can see that Forex is far the largest financial market in the world. What you need to get started in Forex trading. You need knowledge of technical and fundamental market analysis, a reliable, fast internet connection, a margin deposit. You can start with as little as $100. Trading account size depend on your capital, your starting capital. We've got micro account, mini account, and standard account. Forex trading or business, right? So if you desire time freedom or financial freedom, then Forex trading is something you should consider trading part-time or full-time. It all depends on the time you have at hand. Now, Forex trading or business versus 9-to-5 salary job. So if you are working 9-to-5 salary job, you can still trade Forex part-time. Well, if you are working 9-to-5 job, you are selling your time for money, and that way you can't go on a vacation whenever you want. You can't just do what you want because you are not your own boss and you are walking towards your retirement. But if you are a forex trader or you've got your own business, you've got time freedom and financial freedom at hand. A foreign exchange transaction is an agreement between two parties where one party agrees to pay a fixed amount of one currency to the other party in exchange for another currency at an agreed exchange rate. So this is foreign exchange, money exchanging hands. Foreign exchange transaction. Right here we can see, you might be wondering, what is foreign exchange transaction? I've just explained it. Now, have you ever participated in foreign exchange transactions? Most people are very quick to say no. But the truth is, most people have participated one way or the other in foreign exchange transactions without even knowing. If you are the type that do shop online with a different currency, that way you are participating in foreign exchange without even knowing. If you've traveled from your country to a different country where you need to change your currency, that way on a vacation you are participating in foreign exchange without even knowing. If you're into international business where you have to pay with a different currency, you are participating in foreign exchange transactions. So you can see that so many people have participated in foreign exchange transactions without even knowing. Now you know. At the beginning of this video, if your answer was yes or no, that you put in the comment box below with this explanation, I believe that now you know if your answer is correct. Take action now to build your tomorrow today. I believe that success comes with discipline, acting without fear of trial and error. If you want to see change in your life, then you need to change by trying something new. Take the challenge to build your tomorrow today. Quote Don Andres. Now, there's another quote here. Helen Hayes says, "The expert in anything was once a beginner, so do not be afraid. If you are standing before your goal, go for it." Right? Because it comes with discipline, acting without fear of trial and error. If you want to see change in your life, then you need to change by trying something new. Do not be afraid. Take the challenge to build your tomorrow today. You just need to face those challenges and make a difference in your life. See you in my next video. If you have any question, I'll be glad to help. You can drop your questions or suggestions or comments in the comment box below.